Hello everyone. How are you doing? Today I'm going to present you about the history of Prime League. The Premier League, often referred to exonymously as the English Premier League or the EPL legal name, the Football Association Premier League Limited, is the top level of the English Football League system. Contested by 20 clubs, it operates on a system of promotion and relegation with the English Football League (EFL). Seasons run from August to May with each team playing 38 matches, playing all 19 other teams both home and away. Most games are played on Saturday and Sunday afternoons. The competition was founded as the FA Premier League on the 20th of February 1992 following the decision of clubs in the Football League First Division to break away from the Football League, founded in 1888, and take advantage of a lucrative television rights deal. The deal was worth around £1 billion a year domestically as of 2013-14, with Sky and BT Group securing the domestic rights to broadcast 116 and 38 games respectively. The league is a corporation in which the member clubs act as shareholders, and generates €2.2 billion per year in domestic and international television rights. Clubs were apportioned central payment revenues of £2.4 billion in 2016-17, with a further £343 million in solidarity payments to English Football League (EFL) clubs. The Premier League is the most watched sports league in the world, broadcasting 212 territories to 643 million homes and a potential TV audience of 4.7 billion people. For the 2018-19 season, average Premier League match attendance was at 38,181, second to the Bundesliga's 43,500, while aggregated attendance across all matches is the highest of any league at 14,508,981. Most stadium occupancies are near capacity. The Premier League ranks first in the UEFA coefficients of leagues based on performances in European competitions over the past 5 seasons as of 2021. The English top flight has produced the second highest number of UEFA Champions League/European Cup titles, with 5 English clubs having won 13 European trophies in total. 49 clubs have competed since the inception of the Premier League in 1992, 47 English and 2 Welsh clubs. 7 of them have won the title: Manchester United 13, Chelsea 5, Manchester City 5, Arsenal 3, Blackburn Rovers 1, Leicester City 1, and Liverpool 1. That's all about the history of Prime League. Thank you for your attention. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos.